Hi, welcome back to the video. In this one, I'm going to be discussing another strange sound which was recorded in Kenny's M Cave hike video. So to bring you back up to speed, previously I did create a video covering a strange sound which was recorded in Kenny's video, but that was a different sound, and it was towards the start of the video where he introduces himself near the mine shaft. Now, if you want to watch that, feel free to watch it. A link will be provided in the comment section, and if not that, in the description, to watch that first to get an understanding of that and then compare it to this sound I'm going to present to you shortly. So this new sound, which I very recently came across, basically yesterday, I came across it when I was looking through the comment section on Kenny's MK video, just seeing if there was any new comments. And I came across one, I think it was just a time waster, who said, has anyone seen Kenny's most recent comment he left on a video? Now I don't know what video he exactly meant, I just assumed it was this MK one. People were saying, where is it? And the user replied, from 7 months ago, but I don't know where it is. So I looked through the comment section on the video, checked 7 months ago, nothing. So basically a time waster. But equally though, what was beneficial when I was scrolling through those comments 5 months ago, quite a while, there was a comment saying, has anyone heard this sound? And I clicked the timestamp, I heard it, and it did sound a bit weird. And I thought, you know what, I might as well make a video on it, because then I can compare it to the original video I did of a sound and see if this new audio debunks the older audio video I did. You never know. So I'm going to show you the sound now and then see what you think of it.
So I'm going to shut the camera off again, and you can see that I'll be coming down here and
Okay, so after hearing that sound, in my personal opinion, it sounds a little animalistic due to the tone and almost like the yelp or moan. Now, I feel this sound is different to that other sound of that previous video I did, because that one was more higher pitched and sounded more like some kind of laughter, whereas this was like a deeper tone. Now, if I had to try and refer back to animals, what could it actually be? I'm no wildlife expert. I don't live there. I've not been there, so how would I know? But if I had to make a rough guess, I can't imagine it being some kind of mountain lion. Reason why is because if it was, it did sound close, and I don't think Kenny would be that casual when walking. He would have stopped, made reference, pulled out his gun and done something, but he didn't. So obviously it wasn't too much of a threat. I don't believe it's going to be a snake. It does not sound like a snake. It's not a moth. It's not a fly. So what else could it be? A bird? I don't know about a bird, because most of the time birds tweet, whereas this sounds like a moan or a yelp, like a wild dog. Now I don't know why. It's not going to be, but that sound running through my head, it kind of reminds me of like a hyena for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, at the end of the day, if you can detect what that actual sound is, feel free to mention it in the comment section, because then that will help clear things up, obviously. Now, what I will do now is just do a direct comparison back and forth between this new audio and the older audio. Play it back and forth and then see if we can come to a conclusion.